Right, I have a video, and it's the Lego City Police Dog Unit. I got this actually from Wish.com. I'm surprised. Uh, Surprisingly, you know how Wish is, it's very cheap and down there, and it has so many like spinny prizes like 20% off, 50% off, 99% off. Well, I got a 99% off on this one. Originally, I think for some stores it's $5.99 to $9.99. At Dollar General, $5.99 I believe. And then at Walmart, it's $9.99. But I only got this for $1. Wow, I could not believe it. And then when I got it, it was whipped. So I didn't even look at it. I just got it today on the 29th. So let's just open it and see what's in here. Well, that's still here. And the pieces are still in here. Hey, the main one. That's still in here, so that's good. And some of the parts. The box is absolutely destroyed, so who cares? Let's see if all the pieces are technically healed, and see if it's real Lego. And what I could see from all the bumps and letters, yeah, it's Lego. Cool. oh, oh God. I might take that out of the video, but we also got a dog. I don't really do edits, so yeah, I'm not gonna edit that out. Oh God, excuse me. I like it. So I guess I'm gonna do this by hand. So this slant goes here and connects. We got a yellow and black one. So dish, and another one just goes right there, and that goes in front of here. It's a little confusing. Oh yeah, I guess I should, you know, tell, but eh. So they still use these. I'm kind of done with, you know, snapping left and right, and you know, stopping stop motion. I'll do it for some time, but constantly, yeah, no. So that, and then that, and then a wed, like here, like that. Thankfully, there's no stickers involved, because you got that. And that just goes right on top, in front. And then you just grab 4 of these bricks and just put them around here. And add the thin layer to connect. And here we go. There we go. Or here we go. Whatever I said. Now the front is the axle, or the grill I mean, sorry. And look at that little shiny piece. That goes there, and this will go there with a little indent. Ta-da! Adding glass. And then apparently yellow on top. Oops. And then in the back we add these additions to the back. Is it in focus? There we go. Sorry, I skipped a page and forgot to add the lights. There we go. Time to add the brake lights. The brake lights. Sorry, my voice gave out. My brain, it's 8 o'clock, and yeah, I'm tired. At first I thought this was a WAN bar, you know, maybe for the front, but I guess it's for the back to hold the prisoner for some reason. Nope, never mind. It's for the dog. How do I... Oh, I guess they just sit in one... Okay, cool. Bam, there's the police. Next is the jewelry store and the wobble. Now, it comes with this little 4x6. That's cool and all, but I think I'm gonna use this 2, 4, 6, 6x8. Yeah, I'm gonna use this. You can use that because here's the thing. But yeah, I'm using this. Yeah. Plus it's like its length, so it's just gonna go this way and have extra room. I should do that way, but meh, because it's only like that. But it depends. 1, 2, and 3. Now there's like a cheese slope and this weird block, so that's 2 over there. And then there's this 4x1 with the weird gold plates, and that goes in the back. Yeesh. And amazingly, you get 4 diamonds, blue diamonds, and 2 blue diamonds and 2 clear diamonds. So technically 4. You can also say, boop, the blue one and, well, not silver, but clear. That can go there. We have this little glass window. You can open it. You just pop that in, and this will go right here with an extra line of 1x4 black to give it an edge and height. But I kind of don't like it, so, but yeah, that's how it looks. So I am going to take it off. Ow, my thumb. And just put it there. And you use this slope with the back piece. Ow. Like that. Just connect the 3 and that and add it here. yes, it would be a brick taller, or ow, a wee bit taller, but yeah, here it is. And then you just push that and that opens up. There's the wobble, and you also get a crowbar and a bag for him. And then for the police, they get cuffs, 2 cuffs. So if you just have it like this, yeah, extra plates, but if I only had that, I would only get this much, only 2 extra spaces. But with the extra one, I get more, and I can put more here. But putting that aside, if you don't do that, you have 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 extra Lego parts. And since I got this off of a Wish for $1, I am happy. And is it worth $5? Maybe. Is it worth $9.99? Possibly. But the extra, like this to that. But if I only had this and that here, hold on. This is what it should be with that extra brick and that. So I have this here. Oh, that. Where am I supposed to put? Like, I guess over here on the side. On one. That's, I mean, playability. I mean, yeah, it's playable, but you know, if you wanna, you know, motion, like that, and going like that, you need a little bit of more extra room, just to, but whatever. $9.99, no. $5.99, maybe. $1 on Wish, yes. Thankfully it wasn't any fake Lego like I usually have and do and get, but thankfully it's official Lego, so that's my B. Have a nice day, and there we go. 13 minutes.